application for a permit. We need to add something here. The Department of Justice posted yesterday on their website that they will not even start taking applications until November 1st. That's kind of disappointing because there was some hope that the applications would be available early enough that we could apply and send them in and get our permits before November 1st. But apparently, that's not going to be the case. So they will not even accept an application until November 1st. Okay, so please make a note of that to yourself, that these will be available November 1st, and that will be on the Wisconsin Department of Justice website. I'm not sure yet if they'll be elsewhere. I would suspect they probably have them at other state offices and facilities where you can probably pick those up, but I don't know that for sure yet. Okay? But this will be on the website. The DOJ is now developing the application. Again, yesterday they posted information on what they're going to have on the application, but they do not have the final copy just yet. It's way too early. Any questions so far? Now, the cost for the application will be a total of $50. The way that breaks down, part of the application process will be a background check on you, just like you go through whenever you buy firearms. That's going to cost $13. And then along with that, they've indicated that the actual cost of the application cannot be more than $37. So guess what it's going to come out to? $37, yeah. So 37 plus 13, you'll need to send $50 in with your application form for this concealed carry permit. The permit in Wisconsin will be valid for 5 years, and renewal will cost a total of $25, and this will not require additional training.
Will the Wisconsin permit get transferred to other states?
Yes, good question. They're evaluating that now, and there's no certainty just yet. There's been a number of things on the internet suggesting which states are going to recognize Wisconsin's permit, but right now this is all guesswork. Nobody knows for sure. The way that this works, the Department of Justice in Wisconsin will evaluate the requirements of other states for their concealed carry permits, and on that basis decide whether or not they'll recognize out-of-state permits. And likewise, other states will look at Wisconsin's requirements and make the same decisions. So that's going to be a working process. I would not be surprised if we would not know what the final list is going to be for 6 months to a year yet. That would not surprise me. Other questions? No, go back. Okay. And again, I mentioned that this will not require additional training, which is nice. In some of the other states, for example, Minnesota across the river, every 5 years you have to take additional training before you renew your permit. Their classes run anywhere from $100 to $175 each. So this is a nice bill. I've heard a lot of folks criticizing the process by which this bill came up, but we got a really nice bill. We got a very nice bill in the state. This is a big deal. In Minnesota, just to contrast our neighbors across the river, renewal costs you $100 every 5 years. Plus, you have to take an additional class before you do the renewal. Those classes run anywhere from 100 to 175 each. So we did pretty good with this. Questions on that? Just something along with this. Make sure that these certificates that you have, you hold on to them, because I don't think you'll have to submit these for renewal, but that's not been formulated just yet. So make sure you hold on to this. Okay? Any questions so far? Okay, some things the law will allow. This allows concealed carry of a handgun, electrical devices like tasers. Before this law goes into effect, it's illegal for civilians to own these. Now this will allow you to carry them. You'll be able to carry knives. Did you know that carrying a knife in your pocket was a concealed weapon? Under state law, did you know that? How many of you carry knives in your pockets? Yeah, and what's confusing, in some municipalities, they specify it's under 3 inches it's okay, but by state law it's not okay. So that's confusing. So finally, there's a clarification here. And also, if you want to stick a billy club in your pocket, you can carry that. I'm not sure why this is. I don't know. That's not. But now, if you want to carry a concealed billy club, you can do that with a permit, which is nice to know. I'll sleep better tonight. So, all right, questions on that?